Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video. I hope you all are doing really good. So today I'm going to fix this motherboard, and this is HP ProBook 445G8 laptop motherboard, and this motherboard condition is dead. So now I will try to fix this motherboard. So let's try to fix it. So first thing first I will check main power rail impedance before plugged in this DC jack. So as you can see, there is no beep or not showing any value. And now I will check one of 19 or 13 volt filtering capacitor on this motherboard to make sure the main power rail is not short to ground. So here it is. Okay, this also okay. So now I'm going to plug in first. Okay, it's not turning on. So now I will check all the coil impedance one by one. So I set my multimeter in diode mode. So I'm going to start from here. This is maybe 5 volt power rail. Okay, as you can see or as you can hear the beeps. So we find out a problem. This coil is showing short to ground. Let's check other one. It's okay. This also okay. This also okay. So I'm not sure. This is 3 volt or something. So I'm sure this is a 5 volt power rail. So before inject voltage from my power supply, I will visual inspection whole motherboard. If I found any liquid damage, blown capacitor or burning sign, so it will be easy for me to fix this motherboard. So let's open this speaker. Okay, it's very early. We find out our problem. Let me show you. As you can see here. Oh, this one I need to replace, and these 3 caps. This also, these 4 caps is corroded here. As you can see, it's also broken. So let's remove it first. One, two, three, four. It's 4 caps. I will replace here from my donor board. Now I will check this 5-volt power rail impedance again, and as you can see here, there is no bits and it's showing 1.111. that means this line is clear now. So just I need to replace those 4 capacitor here. So first I need to clean properly because this track also broken here. So replace one by one. Okay, now need to replace this parts. This is a diode. SMD code is L43. Let's clean this area first. I will replace from this motherboard. So small one not available right now, so I will replace this big one. The same number. So let's make a jumper. That's it. Our job is done. Now it's time to check. Okay. And it's turning on. So let me show you. Just plugged in. Look at my power supply. It's turned on. So let's check this display is okay or not. So plugged in. It's turning on. And we have HP logo. So I hope you all are enjoy this video. If you like this video, so please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon if you already subscribed my channel. Thank you so much.